Welcome to our second video on subscription billing. In this video, we're just going to cover invoicing off the back of our customer and vendor contracts. So let's just start by having a look at our customer contract. On the lines, the contract information regarding billing is kept up to date as you bill. So if we scroll down to the lines that we've added to this contract and scroll across a little bit, you can see the pricing information. And we can see here the next billing date, 29th of the 6th. Calculation base amount, so it's $2,000. Calculation base 100%, so 100% of that is going to be billed every month. Numbers might be a bit unrealistic. And then that's billed every month according to that billing rhythm. Cool. So if we want to invoice that for this month, or for the 29th of the 6th, we just need to proceed to recurring billing. Pick our billing template. So I've got two set up, one's for customer and one's for vendor. So that's basically there's just filters on in terms of what service commitments it's going to pick up. And so I've selected in this template customer, so all customers are going to come through. And we want the lines that are going to come through to be grouped by contract. So we can change those filters. If we wanted to group by customer, for example, we could select contract partner there. And then we can obviously filter by billing date. So let's run the recurring billing process for that customer template. As we saw, so the next billing date was the 29th of the 6th. So let's run it for the 30th of the 6th. And we're just going to generate this billing proposal. Okay, so we've got our Rally Cloud service commitments come through. And we can see our two lines there. We've also had another customer picked up in those filters, ZM equipment. We'll just park those for now. Okay, so from here we can review what's being billed. If we're happy with that, we can go ahead and create those documents. I'm going to select the document date, so which was 25. These dates do roll forward as you run recurring billing. So if you're going back and rebilling a period, so if you've billed the period and then contract or service commitments have been added since, you just have to roll the dates back and rerun it. And so here we've got some options around how the invoice is created. Do we want to create one invoice per contract, one invoice per customer, or bill to customer? So let's choose one invoice per customer. And we can also choose here to post those invoices. Let's just at this stage leave the posting off, and we'll just generate the open sales invoices. What happens once you've generated those documents, if I try and clear this billing proposal, it's going to give me an error that proposal's connected with open sales or purchase documents. So we can't delete the proposal until those documents are either deleted or posted. Cool. So let's go and have a look at the sales invoices generated. We've got our ZM and our Rally Cloud. From here, it's the standard BC process in terms of posting and emailing. But just having a quick look at the invoice lines, we can see here it's got a comment entered and telling the customer what contract it relates to, what the item is, and then our commitments. So let's go post that. And we'll post this one as well so we can clear out that recurring billing screen for the next time we want to run it. Give that a refresh. Now we should be able to clear our proposal. And it's all ready to go for next time. So similarly, on the vendor side, we can run our billing proposal. From here, we can review what service commitments are going to be generated on the purchase invoice, open purchase invoice, which is what will get created from create documents. And from there, we can post or create those and send remittance once those have been paid. Cool, thanks.